Hello, in this video I want to show you how to schedule Do Not Disturb mode for iRobot Roomba 676. And to do this you'll need to pair your robot with iRobot app. I shown you previously on how to do it. Now when everything is ready, open the app and scroll down. Here you should find the schedule. You can click on this arrow, then enter Do Not Disturb mode. You can schedule it with this button right here. Change the label, for example nap time, and you can change the start time when it begins and when it ends. And what it does, it will make your robot stop working during this time. You can also change when this Do Not Disturb mode will start during each day of the week. We have a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. You can activate them all, for example, like that. And when everything is set, we can click on the save. And here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.